meter band equal to 13,660 kilohertz. From 21st till 2 Baghdad local time, or from 21 till 23 Greenwich Mean Time. For our listeners in North and South America, our English transmission will be on a shortwave 31 meter band equal to 19,515 kilohertz from 5:30 till 7:30 Baghdad local time, or 2:30 till 4:30 Greenwich Mean Time. As for our listeners in India and Pakistan, our English transmission will be on a shortwave 25 meter band equal to 11,810 kilohertz from 5:30 till 7:30 Baghdad local time, or 2:30 till 4:30 Greenwich Mean Time. Dear listeners, let us know if you have enjoyed our program, and if you have any suggestions to make, please write to this address: Radio Baghdad, English Section, 8 February PO Box 8145, Baghdad, Iraq. Again, Radio Baghdad, English Section, 8 February PO Box 8145, Baghdad, Iraq. This is Radio Baghdad, the broadcasting service of the Iraqi Republic.
Our translation will be on the shortwave 21 meter band equal to 13,660 kilohertz. From 24:00 till over 2:00 Baghdad local time, or 20:00 22:00 GMT. For our listeners in North and South America, our English translation will be on a shortwave 25 meter band equal to 11,935 kilohertz from 5:30 to 7:30 Baghdad local time, or 1:30 to 3:30 GMT. As for our listeners in India and Pakistan, our English transmission will be on a shortwave 25 meter band equal to 11,810 kilohertz from 5:30 to 7:30 Baghdad local time, or 1:30 to 3:30 GMT. Dear listeners, let us know if you have enjoyed our program, and if you have any suggestions to make, please write to this address: Radio Baghdad, English Section, 8 February, PO Box 8145, Baghdad, Iraq. This is Radio Baghdad, the broadcasting service of the Iraqi Republic.